Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. Today I'm going to show you how to clear your Safari history on your Mac. This is a quick way to fix loading issues, privacy concerns, or just clean up your browser. So let's get started. Step 1, go ahead and open up the Safari browser on your Mac, which I already have right here. Step 2, in the top left menu bar, click History. Step 3, from the drop down menu, click Clear History. A small window will pop up. Click the drop down menu and choose how far back you want to clear. We have the last hour, today and yesterday, and all history. For the sake of this video, we're going to click all history and clear history. Safari will delete your browsing history and related website data. And that's it. You have successfully cleared your Safari history on your Mac. If this helped you out, like and subscribe to By Ambition. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.